Morning. This is a Volvo V70 Cross Country all-wheel drive 2001, and it has about 123,000 miles. And the inside rear view mirror got that familiar kind of brownish look on the inside of it and was pretty much useless, right? So I went to replace it, and I went to a salvage yard. You can watch other videos about how to get these things off and what it takes to get them off. That's not the point of this video. The point of this video is I got a perfectly functioning, beautiful interior rear view mirror. As soon as I put it on, a couple things went wrong. First of all, the sunroof would no longer function, right? So the button didn't do anything. Going forward, backwards, or clicking, the sunroof stayed completely immobile. The other thing that was even more frustrating than that is that the interior dome lights, the courtesy lights, would not turn off. The center dome light wouldn't turn off, and the rear dome light wouldn't turn off. And then the third thing that happened is suddenly the key fob no longer functioned for turning the alarm on, off, or any other function. So three major things went wrong as soon as I put on this perfectly functioning, same year, same model from a salvage yard. So I'm putting the old one back on to check, and for those of you like me, you can see there's a little clip there right here that needs to go on in case yours fell off. That's where that clip goes, and you just take this off and drop this thing down. You want to be careful not to drop the circuit board. You have a few lights inside there, but this one and this one, these two here, would not shut off no matter what. This is you can see here's the button that's supposedly, if you push this button here for 3 seconds, it's supposed to turn everything off, but nope, it would go back on and off. And as you can see inside these lights, there's a tremendous amount of computer software, hardware, whatever it is, codes, and it functions to control the alarm with the key fob in this area. Somehow it's related. The interior courtesy lights are also controlled in here, and then somehow the sunroof, moonroof is controlled from inside here. So if you go to change these, you're going to find probably that your computer's no longer going to work. So my solution was to carefully remove, you can see the tape here where this was attached to that, and there were these strips of metal with all kinds of contacts on there. I just carefully removed all this stuff, and I'm simply going to take this glass piece, put some double-sided tape on there, and I will attach it. I don't know if I can show it, but if I attach it, I'm just going to have a piece of glass that's going to sit on that surface so it will work, but the dimming function, the automatic dimming function, obviously will not work, but at least I'll have a piece of clean glass. And that cost me about $20, but it also took me about 2 hours of messing around with it to try and figure it out, and it's really just a computer problem. So if you have tried to replace these with something in a salvage yard, even though you might pick the same year, same model, somehow the computer needs to reprogram, and it will affect your interior dome lights, your key fob, alarm system, and your sunroof, and maybe other things. All right, that's it.